Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to use split screen on the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. So first of all, make sure that you've got your applications open simultaneously. For example, I'll open up a gallery and I'll open up YouTube. Right, so now you're to summon your open applications menu. Whether you're using buttons like I do, you gotta use this button with true horizontal lines, or if you're using gestures, you are to swipe from the very bottom of your screen to the center of your screen. So let's open up our applications list. Now choose an application, for example, gallery, give it a hold and drag it to the bottom. So drop it, and now you will be prompted to select a second app for the split screen. So let's choose YouTube. And that's it. Now we've got our split screen on. So you can rearrange the size of the windows by dragging them using this horizontal line, right? And to escape from your split screen mode, simply tap on this horizontal line once again. Tap here, it will change it, right? So to escape your split screen mode, simply close both of the applications and close them. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.